of the exercise that we conducted, Operation Wild Buck, allowed us to validate the equipment being used aboard a UAS system. In this case, it was the Reaper and the Puma, using those camera systems to help us detect and count deer aboard Marine Corps Base Camp Pendleton. In the past, they've had to hire helicopters and actually go out and conduct counts by the use of the helicopter. So we're using this equipment and be just as effective or even more effective. We were able to demonstrate that we could take the video feed from a UAS and push it down to the Emergency Operations Center at the base. The mere fact that we can receive video feed in the EOC allows us to have that much more capability when it comes to providing the commanding general with situational awareness. It could be a post-earthquake situation where we need to go out and quickly survey damage, put a UAS up into the air and safely fly it around, and utilizing the video feed to understand what the extent of the damage is. If we had a lost hiker, lost Marine in the field, we wouldn't have to put Marines online, wouldn't have to put helicopters into the air to search for that Marine. We just simply go grid by grid with our UAS systems and large amounts of territory that much quicker.